Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to buy Bonk coin on Trust Wallet. For you to be able to buy Bonk coin on Trust Wallet, first of all, let's enter our password. Sorry. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is this is the interface of a Trust Wallet. Tap on buy, then search for Bonk coin. Okay, sorry, Bonk coin. Okay, we have Bonk. So tap on Bonk. Now you can enter the amount that you want to buy. Let me say I'm buying this $150 book. It's equivalent to it's equivalent to 5,212,977 buck. So the next thing I have to do is to connect by tapping on buy with credit card. Then I'll enter my card details here and tap on buy. When I tap on buy, then the transaction is going to take place, and the money will be deducted from my bank account. Then I'll be able to buy bulk. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.